Today, we're going to be taking a look at the RF profile feature and how it can be used to deploy custom radio settings to your MR access points. This feature is extremely helpful, especially in complex wireless deployments. Using RF profiles is not mandatory, and any administrator that doesn't want to use this feature can leave the AP in the default profiles. The APs will then inherit settings based on the old radio settings. However, if any of the settings need to be changed for any reason, the administrator will have to define new profiles and apply these profiles to the APs accordingly. There are 5 predefined templates that an administrator can choose from. Auditorium, which is designed for open auditorium deployments accommodating a large number of devices. Classroom, which is designed to accommodate a medium number of devices in a classroom. Open Office, which is designed to accommodate a medium number of devices in an open office environment. Conference Room, which is designed to accommodate a medium number of devices in an open office environment. And Outdoors, which is configured to accommodate outdoor deployments. All of these profiles are designed considering standard building materials. If older building materials are being used, for example cinder blocks, settings might need to be adjusted accordingly.